Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 13th of September. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's markets. All the action came from Europe, as I did mention. They were having their monetary policy statement and their refinancing rate decision. Well, the main refinancing rate did not change. However, they did cut the deposit interest rate by 10 basis points to now make it negative 0.5%. This sent a shockwave through the markets, and the Euro USD dumped around about 130 odd pips within minutes. Within that monetary policy statement, they also mentioned that, well, not mentioned, they said that they are reigniting their quantitative easing program. We've essentially open-ended stimulus for as long as is required. Now, investors interpreted this information as a positive for the economy, and the Euro USD essentially bounced back. So if you look at that chart, it does look like a big V, even though stimulus generally means the weakening of the currency. Under the current economic climate, it's seen as a positive for the Eurozone economy. So that's what's happened yesterday. That explains those movements. The only other data to come out was from the US. It was the CPI number, came in at 0.1%, and the core CPI at 0.3%, which was better than the forecasted. All right, time to have a look at our chart of the day. The charts that I was tracking were spoiled by those movements yesterday, so they didn't form for us. So I have found this one for us this morning. This one is the Aussie yen, and this one is a statistical trade. We have had 8 consecutive days in one direction. If we count them, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This candle here is this morning's candle. It's about 2 hours into formation. So the way that you trade a statistical trade, it's only a short-term reversal. So we're not looking for a massive movement. We're looking for a color change in the candles, or at least a dip in the market for a short period. Typically, depending on the size of this movement from here to here, is how you make your decision in how much to chase on this particular one. But look, a typical number that I like to use is around about a 30 pip target and a 30 pip stop. Okay, it's just a one-to-one trade. So this one's on, it's ready to go. So for those of you who like it, it's there ready for you to take. We're taking this one. Aussie yen daily timescale is our chart of the day this morning. Okay, what do we have in the session, the final session for the week? We have only one set of data. It's all due out this evening at 10:30. It's from the US. It's the core retail sales and the retail sales numbers. Guys, that wraps up the session. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you on Monday for the daily call. Bye for now.